Hi. Today, I will be teaching you how to meditate on love. Our mind is constantly active. Seeking stillness within the mind that is in motion is impossible if you do not use the motion itself. When the surface of a lake is still, we will be able to tap into the magic of superconscious. This is impossible when the surface is agitated by waves of our thoughts, emotions, habits, fears. We use love as a focus, to help you still your thoughts. Love is divine. Without a further ado, we will begin to learn how to meditate on love. Number 1. Train virtues. Train virtues through the development of qualities such as truthfulness, openness, honesty, compassion to all living beings. The soul becomes intoxicated with good qualities, and you start fully and deeply loving and trusting yourself and world around you. Aristotle and Plato named temperance, wisdom, justice, and courage as the foremost desirable virtues. Faith, hope, and love were later adopted by the Church to form the 7 heavenly virtues. Virtues are developed through practice. Just as a marathon runner trains his body through lots of training, so too train our capacity to be fair, courageous, or loving and compassionate. Number 2. Do not harm. Do not harm yourself or others physically, mentally or emotionally. Do not kill. Do not lie. Do not harm other beings on earth. This also includes control over thoughts and feelings that are driven by fear, attachment and instincts. Ahimsa, Sanskrit term, is based on an assumption that all living beings are divine and to hurt another is to hurt oneself. Ahimsa includes one's deeds, words, and thoughts. The Hindu understand this to apply to animals and all life forms. Number 3. Train love. Chose to love, chose to be open, chose to be happy during every single day. Give love unconditionally, without expecting something in return. Giving unconditionally brings great pleasure. Buddhists train loving kindness through friendliness, compassion, appreciative joy, equanimity. Friendliness expressed as warmth that embraces others. Compassion expressed as empathy with other people's difficulties. Appreciative joy, shown as appreciation of other people's good qualities. Equanimity, feeling love and kindness towards everybody, in all situations and relationships. Number 4. Sit to meditate. The art of meditation is the art of stillness, the art of motion within no motion, action within no action. Sit still with no movements for at least 30 minutes. Number 5. Concentrate on love. Concentrating our mind on love will allow the mind to keep busy while we connect with our inner source of love, peace and knowledge using powerful imagery of positive imagination. You can do this meditation by just doing 4 simple steps. Step 1, breath in and breath out the energy of love. Concentrate onto this flow for 5 to 10 minutes. Step 2, feel the warmth of love within your heart. You can use images to inspire you like lotus flower opening within the heart and spreading the warmth of love, an image of your guru, Buddha or Christ, whoever inspires you most, that inspires the energy of love within your heart. Stay with this image around 10 minutes. Step 3, send the love energy to someone you really care about, your lover, your family member, your friend. Step 4, send the love energy to a stranger. Send the love energy to someone that annoys you. Send the energy of love to earth and all the being on earth. Send the energy of love to universe. Number 6. Be love. Stay within the meditation, within the stillness, with an open heart, feeling the energy of love. Since love is light, you might experience the pure light becoming a part of your being. Number 7. Practice every day. Practice will make your experience perfect. We have reached the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe and like button before you go. Goodbye and have a nice day.